Hey, fourth graders. This is general review, pages 297 to 98 in your math books. All right. So, number one says find the perimeters and the areas of the following polygons. Use the correct formula each time. First one is you have a rectangle that is 24 feet by 48 feet. So here's the rectangle here. So 48 feet here and 24 feet. All right. Okay, so find the perimeter. So we know that perimeter, formula for perimeter, P, is, for a rectangle, it's 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. All right. And we know that the width is always the length is always the longest one, okay? So in this case, it's 48, and the width is always the shortest of the two, which is 24. Usually measurements, they always measure the width by length first, right? It's always W by L. It's always width first, and then by the length, all right? So that's the perimeter. And for area, you would need to use the formula area equals length times width. Okay. So you can fill in the formulas for that. Squares, the perimeter. So you get to write your answer here. For perimeter, so wherever you get, right here. For area, you have to write it here. Make sure you do it in square feet, okay? Because area is always in square units. All right, squares. Perimeter for square. Oops. Straightforward. It's pretty much perimeter equals 4 times whatever S is. Okay. Area is just S times S. All right, side times a side. So in this cube here, in this square here, each side is 12 feet. 12 feet, 12 feet, 12 feet, and 12 feet. All right. Hopefully that helps you with C and D also. 3, write the correct temperature. So look at the temperature, make sure you know that it's going by twos. Skip counting by twos. So this is plus 2, this is 32, and then another 2, this is 34, 36, 38, 40. So this red line's in between 34 and 36. What is temperature? Make sure you write the correct degrees, either degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit, degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3, fill in the bar in labels on this graph. So Tom sold 9 tickets and Jane sold 7 tickets. So you would need to, how would you label this graph? Well, it needs to go here. And after that, whoever name you wrote on the line here. So if I had Jane here, then I would need to draw a line up to what point she sold 7 tickets. So how do I show 7 on this line graph here? Okay. All right. Divide and check. Pretty straightforward. Make sure you guys are, check your answers. Okay. Make sure you check your answers and make sure you estimate by rounding the numbers. So this becomes 43. This becomes 100, right? How many times can 40 go into 100? So use your best judgment. All right, next page. Solve these story problems. Nina bought a dress for $21.97. Circle the numbers. Shoes for $12.63 and a stuffed dog for $8.11. Underline the question. How much change did she get from $50? Give the coins and bills she received as change. So she bought all this stuff. Here's the prices for the 3 objects that she bought. Add that up. How much change should she get if she paid $50 for all these 3 items? Okay, and don't just write she should get $4.37 back. No, tell me how many coins, how many pennies, how many nickels, how many dollars. Okay, so you have to write like something like $4. Sorry, you should start with the lowest bill first. You might say something like, "Oh, she gets 7 pennies, 3 quarters, and $5." Okay, that's not the answer. Don't copy that as the answer because it's gonna be wrong. I just made that up. All right. B. Mr. Cappadocia jogs 3 miles each day of the week except Sunday. So each day of the week except Sunday. So all that's really important. Sorry, circle the numbers. 3 miles each day of the week except Sunday. All right. How many feet would he jog in 52 weeks? So if he jogs 3 miles each day. Okay, so first, how many? How many will he jog in 52 weeks? So, well, you need to figure out how many miles does he jog in 1 week. So if he jogs 3 miles in one day, since a week is 7 days long, how many miles does he jog in 1 week? 7 days, and then you need to figure out how many in 52 weeks. So if you know how many he jogs in 1 week, you just multiply your answer by 52 to get 52 weeks, right? And then write your answer in miles. All right, 6, solve these measurement problems. So 3 kilometers plus 60 meters equals how many meters? All right, so you're trying to figure out how many kilometers are in meters first, because our answer needs to be in meters. Special number is 1,000. Sorry, there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Okay, yeah, because kilo means 1,000. Remember? Okay. B. 24 years minus 108 months equals how many years? Yeah, figure it out first. 108 months is how many years? Hopefully you know how many months are in a year. Follow the signs. Pretty straightforward. How come this big gap here? Huh? All right. Solve and check these equations. N plus 4 equals 32 minus 8. All right. Yeah, you guys been doing these pretty well. Just make sure. All right, let me do an example real quick. Let's do 52 minus 7. All right. So a lot of you guys been doing getting n correct, but you haven't been checking your answers. So for example here, you need to do n plus 4 minus 4 because I'm trying to get rid of the plus 4. 52 minus 7 is 45. So I need to 45 minus 4. This means n equals 41. So you guys need to plug in your n to make sure it's correct. So you need to check your answer. So you need to do 41 plus 4, since we know that n equals 41, equals 45. Sorry. Yeah, 45. No, sorry, it's not good. 52 minus 7. Okay, jumped ahead. So 41 plus 4 equals 45, and 52 minus 7 equals 45. 45 equals 45. So I need to see this part here, guys. I need to see this part. When we do our math quiz or math test, I need to see this part here, okay? I need you to check your answers. All right, number 9, identify. So you would need to go to the back of your book, page 347. 347 will have a page describing each one of those different types of lines and angles. If you don't, I know some of you guys, the back of your book has been getting torn up. If you go to my video on page 267, you will also see the page describing each one of these lines. All right, that's pretty much it. Quick drawing. What should I draw? Let me just draw. I'll draw a cute flower, smiley flower. Here we go. All right, very cute flower. Okay. Hope you guys are doing well. We're almost done with school. All right, take care.